What's up, guys? We're gonna have something for lunch. It's already 2 o'clock. Chicken. We got the adobo. We got the food from the restaurant. We got fried chicken. We got
fried chicken.
pot roast. We got salad. We got macaroni salad. We got rice. We
have salad. We have cold cuts. We have burger. Salad.
No salad.
He's making salad, mga kabaryo. Diet daw eh. Nag-diet. Nagigami guys. Trying hard yun mag-diet eh. Tommy love salad guys.
Salad is good for you.
Salad is good for you daw. Oh, I give him a gift. How do you call this? A watch. The watch that he want to have like almost everything. And now he's going to put screen protector. It's a really big screen, hun, right? Yeah. It's a huge screen. Anyway, mga kabaryo, pasensya na kayo, wala masyadong vlog si Mister, ha? Kasi ano yan siya eh. He's always tired, just like he's just tired. If he has video, that means me doing it. Yun yung Valentine's Day gift ko sa kanya. Hi mga kabaryo! Kumusta po kayo? And kumusta mga kabaryo? Your kabaryo is right here. We don't upload for a while na. In his page, in the mga Tummy Talk.
What's up, mga kabaryo? We're headed out. Pick something up for dinner. This will make life a little easier.
Thank you, love. You like it?
Yeah.
Hala, I need the address.
2323.
I know, it's right here.
Now let me put it in here, the GPS. Hold on. So red, so high.
I don't know. Hold on. What? That's weird, huh? Is that the engine running, right?
Yes.
But I don't step the thing. That's weird.
That's stupid. 179 point. Oh, no. 1,799 miles away. This is freaking.
Florida?
It's like, I don't know where the hell it thinks I am. This says we'll get there at 10 after 5. Which is fine. Oh, yeah. So that's where we're headed. My hair looks like hell, but that's... Marianne decided she want to try Texas Roadhouse, so that's where we're going. So we just went online, ordered it up, and then we're just going to go there and pick it up.
There's no car in the sun.
I can't see, blinding light. That beep. Look at that shininess coming over there. The sun behind me just like a big bright star. So now we're headed there. My wife wanted to drive. I was going to drive, but no, she wanted to drive.
And how many times do I drive? I drive when we're together.
She always wants to drive. And she said,
it's been a long time, guys, that we don't upload Tommy's thing. He doesn't know how to vlog. I teach him. He doesn't pay attention. He doesn't do it. So we are going to Texas Roadhouse. We're going to try their food.
I thought I said that, guys.
You did?
Yes.
No, you didn't.
I said you picked Texas Roadhouse, so we went online, we ordered. We're going to go there and pick it up. We're going to see how long it takes to get there. We'll give ourselves a little extra time. I made food to be ready at 5:30. Right now it's 20 to 5. So if you're going to give us
extra
almost an hour to get there, and it shouldn't take us more than a half hour to get there. So we should get there, 20 minutes early, something, 25 minutes early.
I guess we will be right back.
That's what she tells the dogs. Then we never come back.
And then we come back.
She always
knock on wood. Where's the wood?
And then 6 hours later, the dogs are sitting there whining and whining.
Knock on wood. I don't like words that it will not good word.
Well, you say right back, and then you don't come right back.
We do come right back, huh?
You don't. You say, and you just go to Nurse Shells. I'll be right back. Not seriously.
We're still far, so I kind of know where it is.
Dog get pissed.
Yeah.
What the hell kind of parents do we got? Leave without giving us.
Dada can't even give us a treats.
No.
Okay, what are you doing now?
What's up, guys? We're waiting for our food to be ready, so I'm playing Sudoku while we're waiting because I'm bored. So that's what we do.
Hello guys, wala po akong nakain kakaiba ha. Gusto ko lang talagang maglinis. But anyway, kinuha ko yung rug doon sa ilalim ng upuan natin dyan sa counter. Sa island natin kasi gusto kong walang rug for now. And tinitingnan ko yung chair, yung rubber niya para hindi masira yung upuan na hindi na siya okay. So kaya ngayon, inayos ko lang para hindi mag-scratch yung ating upuan kasi delikado pong masira itong ating, floor wood floor kasi iwan ko. But anyway guys, so yun lang guys, linis-linis lang tayo pag may time. Nilagyan ko ng Windex para kumintab ulit yung ating, ang tawag niyan, ang ating upuan, diba? Kasi paminsan talaga gamit na gamit yan dyan. Lalo na kapag andyan yung mga alaga sa ilalim. Ay, grabe yung buhok. So, kailangan natin pakintabin ulit. And alam nyo, itong bahay namin guys, talagang may rug palagi. Alam nyo bakit maraming rug? Kasi nga, yung mga kuko ng aso ko, nakikita ko yung ibang side ng aming wood floor, sirang-sira na may scratches ba? So, kaya meron po tayong rug. So, yun, nag-ano lang ako ng rug guys. Alam nyo guys, parang iba-iba talaga yung utak ko guys. Pati yung rug namin naluluka na. Yung rug na ilalagay ko dyan, galing yan sa yung upuan kanina na nililinis natin. Yun, tinatransfer ko dyan kasi nasa siya side door. And then yung alaga namin, mahilig mag-scratch guys. Lalo na kapag may makitang sa labas squirrel, i-scratch nila. So kaya ang daming scratch dyan na side. So kailangan ko lang talagang lagyan ng malaking rug. Konting linis, and then pagkatapos niya nauhaw man ako guys. Meron pala ako ditong tawag nito margarita. So sabi ko iinom tayo ng margarita. And yun, hindi naman maaga ito. Parang hapon na ako nag-start naglinis ba. So sabi ko, sinabihan ko si Tami na iinom ako ng margarita para naman magamit itong binili ko. Binili naming dalawa ng margarita. Masarap kasi din ito ba. And may wine siya, may halong konti na. And alam niyo naman ako, kapag umiinom dapat may ice kasi iwan ko, gusto ko yung maginaw-ginaw para hindi mapakla masyado. And masyado talaga. Inom po tayo. At wag natin din kalimutan ipagluto si Mister. Pero gusto ko sanang magluto ng maaga na fries. Kaso sabi pa niya ibalik ko raw kasi sobrang aga. Ayaw niyang kumain ng fries na parang mushy na ba? Hindi siya crunchy. Gusto kasi niyang crunchy. So binalik ko siya guys sa freezer para naman mamaya na daw lutuin. So susundan natin yung payo ng asawa natin. And then nag-defrost din ako ng burger kasi talaga yung burger ni Mr. talaga sobrang sarap. So yun, at nagluto ako ng dalawa kasi para burger daw yung sa kanya at saka fries. Ang sa akin naman kakaiba yung gusto ko that time, no? Gusto ko steak. So ngayon, nag-defrost ako ng steak. So masayaw-sayaw muna ako dyan guys. Kasi ganyan na, linis-linis, sayaw-sayaw, ganun. Ngayon, tapos na ang oras, di ba? Ito na yung hinihintay, madilim-dilim na. Hindi pa madilim, pero yung time na to eat later on. English o di ba? So, ngayon, start na tayong mag-bake ng ating fries para kay Mister. Para mamaya, kain na agad, diretso na ito. Wala ng break, o di ba? Hindi natin yan ilagay lahat kasi para may leftover yung asawa natin. Kasi siya lang talaga din mahilig sa mga ganyan, no? Mga fries. Ako talaga, kanin talaga. Pero, iwan ko na lang sa kanin. But anyway guys, so yun, ibibake natin siya pang ilang minuto. And itong ating steak na dinifrost natin, ito lang din yung lulutuin ko, no? Para akin. Kasi gusto ko talaga yung mga steak bago masira. Lutuin na natin.
Easy prep, cook and clean with Reynolds Wrap. You know, those mornings when it takes just a little bit extra to get you out of bed.
Take my breath away, away, away. Take my breath away. So yun guys, dito lang muna tayo. So masaya lang naman kami ni Mr. kapag kahit kami ng dalawa, no? Parang may time na sobrang boring, may time din na masaya kami, lalo na kapag magluluto kami ng dalawa, parang masaya yung buhay namin. But anyway, thank you so much guys for clicking and watching the video.